Hey swimmers, today I have a quick review on Speedo's latest team pull buoy here. And for those of you who just kind of stumbled upon this video, a pull buoy is something you put between your legs to basically work out your arms only underwater. So this helps to strengthen your upper body by keeping your legs still and afloat underwater. What I do like about having your own pull buoy, I know that a lot of pools may come with some, but they're obviously public use and they get all beat up. They tend to have a bunch of holes in them because people kick them around and all that. So it's really nice to have a nice one that you can use just for yourself. And the great thing about this particular design is that it's a little bit asymmetric. It's kind of like a peanut where one end is a little bit not as wide as the other. So if you do have kind of a preference as to whether you want your legs to sit a little higher up in the water or not, if you want a little higher up, just put the fatter end on the bottom side. And then if you rather have your legs a little bit lower, you can put the fat end on the top side. And something I found out just playing around with the buoy in general is that I can actually use this as a makeshift kickboard just because I'm kind of a smaller person, lightweight, shorter stature. So this actually works pretty well as a very simple kickboard. Obviously, if you're the kind of person who wants like your whole upper body from your shoulders to your head completely out of water, then go for a full kickboard. But originally I had actually purchased a kickboard alongside this pool buoy, but then I found out that the kickboard didn't really fit very well in my gym bag, and then I found out that this pool buoy is actually still able to keep me afloat just fine. So I ended up returning that kickboard and using this as a little makeshift kickboard. So just something to keep in mind if you're kind of on a budget or you don't want to haul around a bigger kickboard in your gym bag, and if you're a smaller person or this is for your kids, this could actually work out pretty well. So if you're in the market for a pull buoy, I will look no further. It has a really nice density to it, so it is able to resist any kind of punctures. I actually accidentally made a little dent when I was unboxing this thing, but it quickly went away obviously as I used it. The material on the outside is non-abrasive at all. I don't feel like it's chafing at my legs when I'm using it either, so it's always a good sign. So if you're interested, as usual, the link will be in the description.